We will be making a relief print with linoleum, and you're going to be using an image that shows happiness, enlightenment, love, peace, hope, something positive. You're going to take that image and draw it onto paper and transfer it to a linoleum plate. You're going to take a square sheet of paper. This is the same size as your plate that you were going to be carving on, and you're going to draw that image. So this time you want to draw it a little more full out. And I'm just going to go ahead and use a pencil here. Okay, so once you have your image complete, you want to grab your plate and you're going to lay this onto your plate. And you are going to draw, shade, whatever you want to call this, rub your pencil all over the back. So I like to peel mine up and just keep checking. What we're doing is we're transferring the image onto the plate. So this is an image transfer. Now it's gonna appear pretty light, but like I like to say, as soon as you can see the gist of it, then you're probably good. Okay, so I see the gist of mine. I know it's kind of hard to see here on the camera, but I can see it. And so what I want you to do now is we are going to need to determine what are the, what parts are you going to keep raised and what parts are you going to carve. So the way I like to do that is I like to literally color in the parts that I want to have the color on. So the empty spaces is what I'm going to carve out, and the positive spaces is what I'm going to keep. So I like to literally take a Sharpie. You will color in your image. You want to color in the parts that are going to receive the ink.